Good afternoon, everybody. Another beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. What we're going to do today is we're going to be replacing this broken lever, and we're going to be using a Tusk replacement lever on there. And to prevent this from happening again, and also to protect my Super Hot 6 fingertips, we're going to be installing some Tusk hand guards. So we're going to get started and we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're going to need a 10 millimeter for the top and the bottom. I was using a 1/4 inch drive because what I found on things like this, it's way too easy to snap them off. So I always use a 1/4 inch and hold it up close and tight. So just right is tight and left is loose, guys. So we'll just get that baby backed off of there. Give it a little love tap. Doesn't want to come, so let's keep backing it out. Might need your A&P certification for this. There we go. You can see it's tapered. Slide that out. And it comes with some more stickers. So we'll get this installed and then we'll adjust it up later. It should be pretty close already. Just feed it through the top, get it lined up. Little jiggle. Okay, so I just give it a little tap with this rubber mallet just to get it centered up in there. Don't hit it or beat it in, it's just got threads, just a little bit to center it up. And we'll take our 10 millimeter. Give it a few cranks so we get it through the other side. When you can feel it coming through with your finger, you can get your nut. Put it on the back, thread it on through there. When you feel it getting snug, remember this is all real soft cast aluminum, so just keep your fingers up on the top here and get it snug. You don't want to crank on it from down here or something, you'll snap it off. So it's nice and tight up here at the top, so I'm just tightening the nut on the back. I could use that same ratchet, but I'll just put this on there. Give it a little bit of love. It doesn't need a lot, guys. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so guys, if you want this to be a little further out, away from the bars, or a little closer in, this is your adjustment for that. So this is your lock nut, the outside one, and this is your adjuster. So if you turn this one in, it will pull the lever out a little more, so as soon as you start to grab it, it'll start giving you some brake, and just make it more comfortable for whoever the rider is. So we got this one about where she likes it. So now we're just going to turn in this lock nut, turn it up against it, just like that, and then just give it. This turned out to be a 8 millimeter, I believe it is there. If you can see that. Okay, so just tighten it up against there. This one back to it, and everything should be good. We're going to ride it tomorrow. Then, if we need to, we'll adjust it up here out in the field. So we'll take a little wrench with us, but it feels pretty good. You got contact and a lot of pull. So if she doesn't like where it kicks in, then we'll adjust it, but it feels pretty good. So now, guys, we're going to move on to putting the hand guards on there, and hopefully that'll go quick and smooth too.